objective in which we are getting understanding the data acquisition fundamental, understanding the different type of data acquisition, understanding the data acquisition format, and understanding the data acquisition methodology. Okay. So let's go for data acquisition fundamental. So here it is telling about what is data acquisition. Somehow it is telling about what is data acquisition. So data acquisition is the use to establish method to extract electronically stored information. Okay, the short form is ESI. From suspect computer to storage media to gain insight into a crime or an incident. Okay, as you all know that it's completely all about the acquiring the data from those evidencing, okay, from those devices basically which we got from that accident scene. Okay, so here it is saying one word is there, one sentence is there, electronically stored information. Okay, so basically it is talking about those devices which are electronically controlled and the storage which have also a storage ability. Okay, so the short form is ESI. Investigator may be able to verify the accuracy to acquired data, and the complete process should be auditable and acceptable by the in a court. Okay, it's completely telling that the acquisition should be like that court can completely accept it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so somehow it is categorized into some more parts. Okay, so here we can see the two terms, that is live acquisition and dead acquisition. Dead acquisition is also called static acquisition. Okay, most probably you always see the static acquisition. Nobody says dead acquisition. To make difference between it, it seems like live acquisitions and dead acquisition. So maybe you all are familiar with it. What is live acquisition and what is dead acquisition? So is there anyone who can tell about it?
Sir, live acquisition, you can say with the system is already on. And from there we are extracting data. Like for example, a browser stays open, so we are checking the history, what websites last it visited.
Okay.
What websites visited, and maybe we can get credentials also if they are saved.
Okay, is there anyone else?
Like volatile and non-volatile.
Yeah, it's all about the volatile data and non-volatile data. Okay.
Yeah.
It seems like when we get a on device, powered on device, we have a authority to acquire volatile data from it. Okay. And the second term is what? Static acquisition, which is telling all about the powered off data, powered off device. Okay. Acquiring data from the powered off device basically came in static acquisition or dead acquisition. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So इसे थोड़ा elaborate करते हैं. Let's elaborate it somehow. Okay. So come to the next slide. Okay, here it is talking about live acquisitions. Okay. So live data acquisitions involve collecting volatile data. As ma'am told, it is all about volatile data. So it seems like it is all about volatile data. Okay. From a live system. Volatile information assist in determining the logical timeline of the security incident as a possible and a possible user responsible. Okay.
Yes,
live acquisitions can then be followed by static data acquisitions, where an investigator shut down the suspect machines, remove hard disk, and then acquire its forensic image. Okay. So actually we talked many times about the volatile data. I think in each class we talked about this volatile data. Okay.
Yes.
But what I know, nobody asked how to acquire this volatile data. First of all, the things involved in volatile data are what? Is there anyone who can tell? Means what type of information should be in those volatile data?
Sir, I think since volatile is more related to RAM, so maybe I think the already running processes or applications, kind of.
Like what?
Already running applications or processes, the
Means the
system.
things which are basically running on the powered on computer, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone else?
And sir, I think
What should basically include
net,
in
network
in-
can also be a part of it. Like,
okay, yeah, definitely. The network should be one of a part of that volatile data. That means through which network you are basically connected while your laptop or your desktop was on. Okay.
yes, sir.
So these terms are basically came in volatile data. Okay. When you make off your computer, make off your PC, these things are basically completely deleted from your device. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that could only be possible to acquire when your PC or your desktop is on in a on mode. Okay, power on mode.
Yes, sir.
So let's check something like how to get these types of volatility. Okay. So Ashish, share your screen.
What, sir?
Share your screen.
Share is, yes, sir. Sir, disabled.
Wait a minute.
Sir.
This is basically Ashish's screen. Okay. And let's check it out. Some volatile data from his screen. Okay. His system basically. Okay. So just press window plus R. Window key plus R.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here is one run command. Run pop-up in front of you. Okay. Right there, CMD. So this is basically a prompt in front of you. Here we just put some command over here. Okay. To get some volatile data from the system. So the first one is system info. SYS. Okay, so here you can see there are some information related to this PC, okay, which is provided to you. Like OS name, OS version, manufacturer, OS name is what? Host name, first of all, most important thing, host name, okay. So he's writing his another name as well.
Yes, sir.
OS name, Microsoft Windows 11 home, single language, okay. OS version 10.0. So this is basically the information of this particular PC, okay. If we go down, there are also product ID, original install date. Let's check it. This one, maybe you are all are seeing original install date. That is 26 to 2023. Your PC is new.
Yes, sir.
So here you can see what exact date and time also. It's 6:29 p.m. Okay. So शाम के time में इन्होंने लिया था.
Yes, sir.
So you can check here. You can see each and everything about that device. Okay. So go down. Let's check if there anything else. Network cards, 5 NICs, network interface cards. Okay, installed. They are Realtek gaming. Okay, these are the interface cards basically. I don't think so. Okay. So this is basically about the computer information. Okay. So let's start one. Let's do one another command. Net is put the net stat. NAT STAT. टैब डायरेक्टरी होती है सर्वर की इसकी, ठीक है, मैं टैब जैसा होता है ये सर्वर की डायरेक्टरी. So these are the basically active connection.
Yes, sir.
Able to see everyone? Still it is searching right now. Okay, let me check for some another command. Is there if possible? Just a light white क्यों बंद कर दिया सब? Wait a minute. Okay, so these are basically the IP. Okay, just press enter and put one more command. that is IP config, space and all. So IP config is basically no, don't put that slash one. It will maybe, yeah. So IP config is basically to get the IPs, okay. And if you put all, okay, it is slash all maybe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go for it. Yeah, so here you can see the IP addresses. These are those IP addresses which are connected through this device. Okay. So window IP address, unknown adapter, Ethernet adapter. Okay. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Wi-Fi. Here you can see wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. Oh, IP address of this one. Default gateway, DHCP server. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are basically short-term information which are stored in your device. Okay, if you make off your device, these things get completely deletable there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay, so let's back to the topic. Types of data captured during live acquisitions are basically current configuration, running status, date and time, current system update, running process, logged on user. Okay. And in the second system, we see about the network data where routing tables are there, ARP caches there, the network configurations, network connections. Okay. So these things are basically get from us a volatile section. Okay. In live acquisition.
Yes, sir.
So after that, order of volatility. While collecting evidences, an investigator need to evaluate the order of volatility. It is not even clear. Data depend on the suspected machine that and the situation. Okay, according to RFA 3227, these are the example of order of volatility for a typical system. Register and cache, routing tables, processing table, kernel statics, and memory. This is basically telling the things which are basically present in a live acquisition system. Okay, and it's all about what we can say the as we study about that chain of custody. Okay, so first of all, we have to note it all the things that with what are the things available in that particular device. Okay.
Yes.